Okay. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How
Okay.
are you, ma'am?
Some of you look still sleepy. What happened? Don't like to wake up in the morning?
Ma'am.
No. Okay. Shall we do a quick exercise?
Yes.
The activities?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Sit straight then. Sit straight, everybody. Sit straight. Okay. We'll do hands up and hands down. Okay. It'll be quick, so you have to follow the correct instruction. Okay. When I say hands up, what will you do? Hands up. When I say hands down, down. Okay. Let me see if you make any mistake or not. Ready?
Ready, ma'am?
Okay. Hands up. Down. Down. Ah. Rishan. Okay. Hands up. Hands up. Ah. Up. 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 Down. 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 Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. 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 Down. 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 Up. 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 Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. 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 Up. Up. Now even more faster, okay? You have to follow very fast. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Hands down. Hands up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 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 down, hands up and down. Okay, done. Morning exercise is done. All warmed up, isn't it? Yes? All the sleepiness is gone. Even I'm feeling energetic, so you would be feeling even more energetic.
Ma'am, I'm tired.
Yes. Okay. So let's continue the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Till which tool did we study?
Unit 5.
Hmm?
Stool. Pencil tool. Pencil tool. Eraser tool.
But tool. Yes.
Pencil tool. Eraser tool.
Ah.
Eraser tool. Brush tool.
Brush tool. We learned till brush tool, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Pencil tool, eraser tool, fill with color tool, text tool, and we also learnt about
Magnifier tool.
brush tool. Brush tool and then magnifier tool. That's all. Which is the last one that you wrote?
Magnifier tool. Brush tool.
Brush tool and magnifier tool. Okay, fine. So today we'll write about the next one. Please open your books, open your rough books.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
rough book and I am in India.
You're in India. Welcome back to India, Irene. Are you eager to come back to school?
Yes.
Yes. I am eager to. I'm so excited to meet you all.
Is Mara.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, I don't have a rough book.
you don't have a rough book. Write it on the back side of the note then.
India. I have a book.
Okay, fine.
Welcome
You
to
took a
my
new book. Okay, good. Alright, so get ready, children. You're going to write about the next tool.
and take a fresh page.
No, you can continue writing. Wherever you wrote about the tools, you can continue writing there.
Ma'am, there rain.
Hmm?
There
No,
rain.
it's not raining.
What is sound?
What is the sound? Okay.
No sound.
So, we have already wrote about 6 tools, isn't it?
There's a sound like there.
We have a tournament going on here. Maybe the sound of that.
Ma'am, your sound is too loud.
Too loud or low?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, your
Okay.
sound is
Alright, shall we start? Yes. So next is the 7th one, isn't it? We have completed 6. Now 7. Put 7 and write.
Yesterday two only finished.
Huh?
Yesterday is two only finished.
2 only finished. We wrote 6. I think you missed a few classes.
Yes, ma'am. The other computer classes I did not attend, so.
Now that's okay, dear. That's okay. You can search for the classes, recorded classes on YouTube. Okay. We have uploaded that. Don't worry. So next one is right. Next one is pick color tool. Pick color.
Ma'am, which book do you want to write?
Rough book.
I can take the next page.
Yes. If the page is over, take the next page.
Take the spelling of pick.
P-I-C-K. Pick.
Color. C-O-L.
O-U-R. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pick color tool.
Ma'am, I have joined now only.
Take your rough books and write this point, Henry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Write a sentence about this. Oh, sorry, wait. It is used to pick a color It is used to pick a color. It is used to pick a color from the picture. From from the. It is used to pick a color from the. It is used to pick a color from the. From the picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. From the picture. It is used to pick a color from the picture. It is used to pick a color from the picture. It is used to pick a color from the picture and use it for drawing. And
color to draw a line.
What is it, dear?
We have to draw a line.
Where? Are you talking about the underline? Yes, you have
And
the underline.
let us say seventh question. Put color stars.
Color tool. Yes, you have to write and then underline. Okay. It's not a question, dear. It's a point. Short notes, no? So it's a point. Okay. So it is used to pick a color from the picture and use it for drawing. Use it for drawing. Right. For drawing. And use it for drawing.
Ma'am, drawing spelling.
DRA WING.
WING. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, paint. P-I-C-K.
PICK is pig.
Ma'am, our lecture is completed.
Ah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have space to write.
Turn the page and write.
Ma'am, what is spelling of the drawing?
DRAWING.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
And what is the spelling of drawing?
DRAWING.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I've completed this.
Yes?
Please, ma'am.
What was it? I didn't hear you.
No, ma'am. I completed this.
Okay, so we'll write the next one. One more tool. Okay.
Wow.
Called the shapes.
No.
Shapes.
Sheep. Please wait. In my bigger sister had the computer. I play the shapes in a cupcake.
Okay. Please write this now, dear.
The
It is.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my brother's laptop. This one, drawing the Toshiba.
Is it Steve's laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You're wondering how I know him, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
I have taught him, that's why.
My brother not drawing you.
Okay. Okay, right. It is used to add
And
ADD. Add. It is used to add different.
and use.
It is used to add different
Use
shapes in a picture. Shapes in a picture.
it
It is used to add different shapes in a picture.
Ma'am, drawing spelling.
DRAWING. 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 Drawing.
Drawing. Drawing. Space effect. Cricket, ma'am.
CER.
Those who have completed writing, no need to tell that you have completed, just read. Okay? Read the 2 points.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes? You can read silently, dear. Let the others complete writing. Okay? After that, we'll see these tools on the board.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, to add
Yes, different shapes in a picture.
different
Different spelling. Okay, D-I double F.
I have completed, ma'am.
Yes, Agnes. D-I double F R E.
Finished and completed.
Okay, good. D-I double F E R E N T. Different.
Different. Different shapes. S-H. A-P-E-S. Shapes. This is in a picture. P-I-C-T. U-R-E.
Done?
Yes, ma'am. Henry is completed.
Very good, very good. Shall we see this on the board? Children, are you all ready? Okay, after that I'll show you on the board. Okay, those who have not completed, don't worry, I'll show you on the board. But before that, let's see the tools on the board first.
They have completed.
Okay, okay, wait. Now what is the spelling of paint? P-A-I-N-T. Yes.
A-I-N-T.
Yes. So we call this window again?
Paint.
Paint window. Very good. This is called the paint window. Okay.
Ma'am, Henry paint.
Yes, good. Now, I want you all to listen carefully. Please mute your audios and listen carefully. Leave your books and your pencils on the table. Sit straight and listen. Yes, very good, children. Okay, I'm going to use each tool one by one. Okay, whichever tool we have studied till now, I'm going to use that. So listen carefully. First one is the pencil tool. I'm taking the pencil tool. I'm increasing its size. I'm selecting a color. I'm selecting black. And then I'm drawing. I'm trying to draw something here. Okay. I'm just drawing a random circle. We'll draw some random design. Okay. Now, if I made a mistake here, which tool should I use? Eraser. Please note, it's not rubber tool, it's eraser tool. Okay. If I want to fill a color in the circle, it's select fill with color tool, and I select this light green color, select the area. See, I filled it with color. I also learnt about the text tool. I select the text tool, which is represented by which letter? A. Very good. A shows that it's the text tool. Then I select the area where I want the text to be. I want it to be here. I select the color of the text.
I cannot see the board.
You cannot see the board. I'll share it once more. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now inside this I'm going to type 2B. 2 and then I select B.
Me, ma'am.
Okay, now I go and select any area on the screen so that the text is correct, fit there. Okay, it's fixed there. Alright, now what is the next thing that we are going to do? We'll use a brush. Okay, we'll use the brush, we'll use this spray paint type 1 and we'll select the dark blue color. We'll just spray in this area like a design. Okay, that's the brush tool. We have different types of brush. We can take any. Yes, anybody calling me? What happened?
Do it once more. A little slow.
Which one, dear?
Pencil tool.
Pencil tool. Were you absent in the previous class?
No, ma'am.
And what happened?
Can't understand.
You can understand.
Yes.
Okay. This is the pencil. This is the pencil tool. Please keep your audios muted. Where is the pencil tool? That yellow colored one. That is the pencil tool. Okay. Can you see that on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. That is used to draw lines like these. Okay. Is that clear? Yes. Then, when you make a mistake while drawing like this, suppose by mistake I just draw like this, you can use the eraser tool. Okay. We have eraser tool to erase the lines. That is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then we have a tool called fill with color tool. Fill with color tool means it is used to fill an area with a particular color. Okay, I've already filled this with green color. We'll try another color with this. So fill with color, I take yellow color and I fill in this area. See, the color changed to yellow. Do you see that? If you want, we'll select light blue. Again, that's color changed. The inside part of B also. See, I filled it with color. Do you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
That's clear. Okay. Then we have the text tool. That's how we type the 2B. You can click on text tool. I'll do it once more. I show it once more. Please mute audios, otherwise we won't get time to complete the portion. Okay. I'm selecting the text tool. I select the area where I want to type the text. Okay. Suppose I want it at the center, on top of the circle. So I go and select that area. I go and click that area. See, a box has come. Okay? A box has come. Now I go and select inside that area and I can type. Maybe circle. I'm typing circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Okay? Now when I'm done typing, I'll just go and click in the area. So circle is fixed. Okay? That typed text is fixed. Got it? Okay. Now for brush tool, we have 9 options. We can choose whichever option that we want from this. I just chose the spray paint type. Okay. If you want, I'll just show the thick brush type. I'll select another color, maybe green color. I draw another circle here with the brush tool. Can you see how the brush is different? It looks like the tip of a brush, isn't it? Yes?
Ma'am, you draw a yellow color.
No, I drew with the green, light green, dear. Alright, so that's it. Which are the 2 new tools that we learned today?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have a doubt. I didn't write
It's okay. Those who were absent in the previous class, I told you, just watch the, the recorded class. The notes I'll send in the class. Don't worry about that, okay?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Irene.
Ma'am, how to type the circle?
How to type?
Circle.
Circle. Yes, that's what I told. select the text tool, that is A. Wherever that A is written, you have to go and click there. Select the text tool, then go and select the area where you want something to be typed, and then the A, B, C, D. I'm typing A, B, C, D. See, I've typed A, B, C, D. Then just click on any area on the screen other than the box. So that's it. Fixed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now we learnt about the pick color tool, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. What the pick color tool is used for is to pick the color from the picture itself. Okay. See, suppose so what is the ink color now? How can you know that? Just look at the top. See, here it is mentioned. It's already green, isn't it? Light green. Because we have been drawing with light green. Now, when we use the pick color tool, this is the pick color tool. See, next to the eraser. Next to the eraser is the pick color tool. Now when we select the pick color tool, we go and select whichever color we want from the picture itself. Hi, Ann, listen here. Okay, we go and select the color from this picture itself. See, I am selecting the light blue inside the circle. And then, wait, I am selecting the light blue inside the circle. See, my brush became light blue. Understood? I'll show it once more. I am selecting pick color tool. I am going selecting this green color inside this. Wait, green color inside this, and I am drawing with green. See? Understood? Again, I'll show it once more. We are going and selecting the pick color tool. Then we are selecting the blue color inside. I can draw with blue easy. Yellow color can be picked only if it is there in this picture. Okay, like I'll show you something. See, I have selected yellow, then I have selected dark blue, I have selected red, I have selected orange. Okay, so these colors are there in our painting itself. Alright, now I'll select the pick color tool. I can pick it from this painting itself. See, now, see, it became orange. Now select pick color tool, select from the picture itself. Now my brush became which color? Which color? Which is red color. Yes. I go and select pick color tool. I go and click on yellow and my brush became yellow again.
Color.
Understood? You don't have to go and select there if you select the pick color tool. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So that's about the pick color tool. Now which is the next tool that we wrote?
Brush. Brush tool.
No, not the brush.
Shape tool.
See a variety of shapes here in a box. See?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
This refers to the shapes tool. What is it?
Shape tool.
Shapes. Yes, we can use different shapes. For example, I'll show you. See, this is a line. First one is a line. I can draw a line with this. See, whichever long lines I want, I can draw. Did you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can choose different colors from here itself and I can draw. Next is ellipse. It's called an ellipse. With this we can draw circles, ovals and so on. Different shapes, different size. Okay, oval shapes. It can be a circle or something.
The shape straight line, I draw a cupcake in my sister.
Okay, very good. Now which is this shape? Tell me which is the shape. This is square. What is this shape? Rectangle, isn't it? Yes, with that rectangle shape we can draw squares as well as rectangles in paint. Okay? Now, this one is a slightly different one. Can you see the ends are curved, ends are rounded of this picture? That is called a rounded rectangle. What is it called? Rounded rectangle. Tell me, rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle. Yes. We have triangles then, see? Triangles of different types are here. Then we have star shapes, we have cloud shapes, and different other shapes are there. Diamonds, arrows. Then we have curved lines. See, this is a very tricky one. See, look here. I've selected the curve next to the line. Okay, that's a curve. Now, if I draw like this, if I drag it like this, it becomes a curve. Understood? So you have to draw a line first, and then you have to draw a line first, then you have to drag like this. Okay, then that becomes a curve, a clear curve. I'll draw it once more. You have to draw You have to draw a line, then you have to drag it like this, so it becomes a curve. This is there, yes. Now this one is called the polygon shape. Polygon means we can draw with different number of sides. See? And we can join. See? I made a shape now, isn't it? It's not a rectangle. It's not an exact shape. It's an irregular shape that I have made with different number of sizes. See? I can easily make with the polygon tool. Understood? Did you understand how to use the shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Don't worry about this. I have just introduced you to the shapes. Next class we'll practice about the shapes. Okay. Shape tools. Don't worry about that. Yes. Pick color tool. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I'll revise it. I'll summarize this again in the next class. Don't worry about that. I've just introduced you to the shapes. Okay. There are different types of shapes. In the next class, we'll try and draw something with these shapes. Okay? All right. Okay. So quickly give me attendance. Attendance, please.
Share the screen.
Ma'am,
can you share the screen?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, you can write.
Yes, ma'am. And yes, ma'am, you still have going to.
All right. Now mute your audios, everybody. Please mute your audios. I'm taking attendance. We don't have much time left. Yes, Agne TS. Fast. Agne TS. Absent. Agnes, please check and tell me. Agnes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Abhinav.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Adam Joe. Adam Joe. Adam absent. Edel Maria present. Adinath
Present.
Jojo.
Present, ma'am.
Edelan
Present,
present.
ma'am.
Anaya present. Arati Biju present, right? Arati.
Present.
Austin.
Present, ma'am.
Aisha Nashwa.
Ma'am, Krishna Priya have completed.
Aisha Nashwa. Ayush.
Present, ma'am.
Daniel. Absent. Dhruva Prashant. Absent. Ivania Brighto. Dhruva is present. Ivania present. Brett present. Hyan is present. Henry is present. Jewel Maria. Jewel. Joanne Judy present. Junaita is present. Karthik VP. Krishna Priya present. Malavika present. Manav is present. Marin Justin.
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Rishan present. Maithili is present. Nakshatra. Prarthana present. Rihan absent. Ritvik present. Riza Nasmia. Riza. Sandria Fantin. Sarah present. Shrutakirti present. Siddharth. Siddharth present. Sridhar present. Tirtha Jolly present. Okay, children. Thank you.
Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.